Let's have a look at this Volkswagen unit. Completely unresponsive. Doesn't matter where we're touching, what we're doing. Oh, there we go, sort of worked. No, no one's home. Let's fix her up. Try again. All right, now here you can see we've repaired the unit. Now wherever we touch is correlating to what's happening on the unit. Camera, everything working as it should. This repair was carried out in an Amarok, but we offer the same repair service for your multivan, transporter, Passat, just to name a few. My name's Jared Shalley from Autofidelity. Thank you for watching.